This is the new Xperia XZ2. This is the camera with the new Slomo capabilities. So Samsung's S9 has this, but Sony's actually had this capability for a year now. And basically what you do is you go into slow-mo mode.
I've had this on for 8 hours.
Pick something to record, like
yeah, we've had one of our product guys went cycling.
Tap the moment you want, slow-mo, and then it's recorded.
Shake my head and it's completely smooth, but honestly, they're amazing. I absolutely love them.
You can go back and replay the slow-mo.
Oh, I wish.
So this is the
and that's the slow-mo right there.
It's just the stand right here. And they've got
and it captures like a short burst and it goes back into regular high frame rate. And yeah, other than that, the other cool feature with this camera on this phone is that it does 4K HDR. So what you do is just go over here, go to 4K resolution, make sure it's there, and then you just make sure HDR is on and record, and yeah, then you have 4K HDR video. And then you can go back. I accidentally hit the record button right here with the camera button. And you can see the videos are recorded in the 4K HDR format. It says it right in the corner. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the capabilities of the new Xperia XZ2. It's a pretty simple phone. It's comfortable, sleek design. Feels a lot like the old Nokia Lumias. It's got NFC, fingerprint sensor. We got volume rocker, power button, and a dedicated camera button. And you got nothing else on this side. That's basically the whole phone. I mean, there's some little features here and there, like the haptic feedback is pretty aggressive. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty simple.